Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Signal app black screen problem on Android. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap Settings in your mobile. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap Apps. This will show you all the applications currently installed on your device. From here, tap Signal to access the app's specific settings and configurations. Now tap Force Stop. This will completely shut down the Signal app and stop all its background processes. A confirmation will pop up asking if you're sure you want to force stop the app. Go ahead and tap OK to confirm. This step is crucial because it clears any temporary glitches that might be causing the black screen issue. Next, tap Permissions. Here you'll see a lot of permissions options such as contacts, notifications, phone, nearby services, camera, and location. Make sure to allow all these permissions by tapping each permission one by one, then tapping Allow. Signal needs these permissions to function properly, and missing permissions can often cause display issues or prevent the app from loading correctly. Once you've enabled all the necessary permissions, tap Back to return to the previous screen. Now tap Storage and Cache. This section controls how the app stores temporary data on your device. At the top, tap Clear Cache. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that might be corrupted and causing the black screen problem without deleting your important messages or data. After clearing the cache, tap Back again. Next, tap App Battery Usage. This setting determines how your phone manages Signal's power consumption. Tap Allow Background Usage to ensure Signal can run smoothly even when you're not actively using it. Then tap Unrestricted. This gives Signal full battery access and prevents Android from limiting its functionality, which can sometimes interfere with the app's ability to display content properly. Now it's time to make sure you're running the latest version of Signal. Open the Play Store and tap the search bar at the bottom. Search for Signal Private Messenger and tap it from the results. You'll see Signal Private Messenger listed at the top. Look for the Update button right beside Signal Private Messenger. If you find the Update button, just tap it. If you just see Open, it means your Signal app is up to date and you can skip this step. If an update is available, tap Update and wait for the update to finish. Once it's done, the latest version will be installed with all the newest bug fixes and improvements. Finally, restart your phone and try to launch the Signal Private Messenger app. The black screen issue should now be completely resolved and Signal should load normally with all your conversations intact. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.